Hello and welcome to a tutorial for Satisfactory. In this tutorial we're gonna do the overflow. We're gonna do the trick with the ICS. The ICS has a feature which is really nice. It's the priority output, which means that only one output can output items as long as the input flow is lower than the output flow on that port. I'm just going to hook up everything here together in tier 4, which is for now my highest tier available. You can do it in tier 5, it's no problem. So what I do here is I split the input rate in 3, and by that I'm using the splitter and I'm connecting it to a merger at the end. Everything's fine, so 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. But now the priority port, which is the first one you connect to the ICS, I will do in MK3 because it needs to be lower for a certain thing that by loading the game connects first the lower tiers and then the higher tiers. So I make sure that by loading this one will be connected first and then this one will be connected second, which will then automatically be this one, priority over this one. So we only need now to connect merger to the line here, or a stock, whatever you want. And I've already put in 500 wires. So to test it out, well, just connect it. Easy. Here we go. So what it will do is it will just split in 3. So 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. There's always, the first time you run it, there's a 1 going into the awesome, which is fine, but afterwards everything is settled, and now 100% of my quick wire is coming to the storage. So everything's working fine. Now, if I break this and I simulate that this thing is full, well, everything will start to go to the awesome, which is fine, because now the splitter cannot go here, but goes to the ICS, and the ICS is also stuck and will forward everything to the awesome. Now, if I connect this again, meaning that my stock can accept again, or my line, well, it will stop. The awesome is no longer fed, and the whole capacity is going through the line / stock. So there's no loss, not at all. If I go here and I input 500 again, you will see that in the end I will have 500. So the trick is, as I split the flow in 3, meaning that I have a tier 4, it's 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. This input speed is really slower than my tier 3 here. Therefore, everything going in comes out because it has the capacity to do so. If this fills up, it blocks this port and it has to forward here, which automatically leads to blocking up. This line's going to the splitter, and the splitter will also block these outputs. Nothing can pass, and it will only forward here. So that's the design I came up with, and I think it's pretty easy. You can change the design. The main part is the splitter, so to make sure this is a trigger only, that if it fills up and there's congestion, well, the flow will go completely to the awesome. So you can enhance this with smart splitters in front of this one. As you will see, I've got my 500 quick wires back here, so no worries in overflow, easy peasy. Hope this helps you out. Thank you, bye bye.